This house is not designed to impress at first glance alone, it is designed to endure. A contemporary composition where simplicity becomes sophistication, every line intentional, every material speaking quietly of balance and restraint. This is a home shaped by light, proportion, and modern living, where elegance is not added, but carefully edited. Let us step inside a residence that redefines calm luxury through architectural clarity. The front façade establishes the architectural identity with confidence and restraint. Clean geometric volumes, a flat roofline, and a disciplined material palette of white concrete, warm wood slats, and black steel create a timeless contemporary expression. Floor-to-ceiling glazing softens the structure, allowing transparency and light to replace ornamentation. The entrance is deliberate, understated, and welcoming, an architectural statement that values proportion over excess. Inside, the living room unfolds as a double-height volume flooded with natural light. Glass walls dissolve boundaries between interior and exterior, while concrete floors and warm wood ceilings establish tactile contrast. Furniture remains minimal, allowing space to breathe and light to define form. This is not a room designed to be filled, but experienced, open, calm, and quietly luxurious, reflecting modern living at its most refined. The master bedroom is a retreat shaped by serenity and balance. Neutral tones, soft textures, and a low-profile bed emphasize rest over display. A wooden accent wall introduces warmth, while expansive windows frame natural light without overwhelming privacy. Indirect lighting enhances the atmosphere, creating a space that feels grounded, personal, and timeless, where design supports rest rather than competing for attention. The kitchen blends seamlessly into the home's open-plan layout, functioning as both workspace and social hub. Handleless cabinetry, integrated appliances, and a sculptural black stone island express precision and modernity. Materials remain consistent, reinforcing architectural unity. Natural light enhances functionality while maintaining elegance, proving that efficiency and beauty can coexist without compromise. The mezzanine level offers a moment of elevation, both physically and visually. Overlooking the living room, it maintains openness while introducing intimacy. Glass and steel railings preserve transparency, while wooden flooring softens the experience. This transitional space enhances flow, encouraging interaction between levels without disrupting privacy, embodying thoughtful spatial planning. The bathroom is a study in refined minimalism. Stone textures, floating wooden vanities, and matte black fixtures create contrast without excess. Natural light filters gently through slim openings, enhancing material depth. Every element is purposeful, transforming routine into ritual and reinforcing the home's commitment to quiet, functional luxury. The front yard extends the architecture into landscape. Clean concrete paths, trimmed greenery, and subtle lighting frame the house without distraction. It complements the facade rather than competing with it, reinforcing the home's disciplined aesthetic. This approach creates a sense of arrival that feels composed, modern, and effortlessly elegant. Above, the rooftop becomes a private sanctuary. A wooden deck, minimalist seating, and glass railings offer uninterrupted views and openness. The flat roof transforms into livable space, balancing architecture with lifestyle. It is a place for reflection, leisure, and quiet moments under open skies. The working room reflects modern productivity with restraint. Clean lines, built-in storage, and natural light support focus without distraction. Materials remain consistent with the rest of the home, ensuring continuity. This is a space designed for clarity, where work feels intentional, balanced, and integrated into daily living. The backyard completes the home's indoor-outdoor dialogue. Large sliding glass doors open to a minimalist deck and green lawn, creating seamless flow. The space encourages relaxation and social connection while maintaining privacy. Architecture and landscape work together, reinforcing the home's calm, contemporary identity. This house is not defined by trends, but by thoughtful restraint. It demonstrates that contemporary elegance emerges from clarity, balance, and purpose. Every space contributes to a cohesive experience, quietly confident, deeply functional, and timeless. This is architecture that respects how people live, not just how buildings look.